Hello, everybody. It's Theo Prodromitis, and today I'm going to talk to you about the power to change. The thread that runs through all personal development literature and business seminars are really the key components to the power to change. And when I say either change somebody else's decision to do business with you or change yourself, today we're going to talk about the power to change yourself. And I'm going to recommend a little exercise that's fun that I've done many times at different intervals in my life, and I get different results every single time. And that is to get outside of myself and become the observer, kind of like a reality TV show. I know it sounds funny, but observe yourself in all the scenarios on 2 different days, whether it was 2 weekdays or maybe a weekend, and break it down to a couple of different categories. When I say observe yourself, is just raise your awareness, because we're very busy doing things and we're not really paying attention. We've got a routine down. We're not paying attention to what we're doing and why we're doing it or how we feel. And a lot of people do it when it comes to diet and exercise, but I'm just talking about from a standpoint of being able to change and upgrade, level up in business, is to observe yourself and track the tasks. So for instance, if you wake up first thing in the morning and you actually go right on your smartphone and start, just jot down what the things are. You go to your email, then you check on Facebook, you got a few likes, and then you post something, and then you think of something and you see a cat video. What journey are you taking? Those moments when you first wake up, you are the most suggestible, and when you are going to sleep as well. So just notice that. What are the tasks? So you do that, then you take your routine to brush your teeth and take a shower, get down to business. Email is a big one. What are the tasks? How many times in a day, I don't think you want to know, do you check your email? You check it on your phone, you check it on your computer. Between social media and email, that's going to be enough tasks for you to kind of figure out if you want to change, where you could carve out some time. But track the other things, how long you take for lunch, how long you get lost in a book. Hopefully you do. That would be something soul enriching to do. And there's no right or wrong, but there is power in that, because when you observe yourself and you find the tasks, and then make note of the emotions. If you have any emotional ups and downs, you feel super happy when you get a client order, when you've connected with somebody, what those things are. And we can also call them triggers. People have a tendency to think of negative for trigger, but I think triggers can be negative or positive, because I have a lot of positive triggers where if I know that I've done something to enrich somebody else's life, or when all of you like, comment, and share my videos, that's a trigger for happiness, and I want more of that. And I have done this and observed myself at different intervals, and I love the result. And then I may fine tune a little bit and go back to managing my email differently, or changing up my morning routine, or taking a week to see what the results are without going on my phone when I first wake up, or programming myself with something positive, with a great mind movie of what I want to manifest in my life. So be kind to yourself. Take a chance to observe yourself and what the tasks, emotions, and triggers are that are making up your life. And I will see you on the road to your extraordinary life.